Yesterday we released Fibery AI build mode. So let's see how it works. Can we build a basic solution and make it more complex? Let's start with something very simple, everybody familiar with. I want to have personal to-do app with tasks. So what we will have here, now it tries to understand what to build and suggest me with some plan. What is your plan? Okay, so it will create a space personal to do and a task database, subtasks, assignees. Okay, so basically we'll just go with these things and will not focus on additional details here. Now it's starting to think, execute things. So, okay, you see new space was created with a task database, maybe with some fields already. All right. Here we go, but add some sample tasks, so it's not very useful to test it without any content. So let's add some content. And also, I think we need some views to really work with tasks. We only have a database and not views. Here are our tasks, by the way. Let's explore them. We have priority, we have status. Okay. But status is not a real status field, it's a single select. Okay, add some views. I want to have, I don't specify any views, I just want to see what it will create. It created quite a lot. Like all tasks. Kanban is not correct, by the way. This also is not correct. Upcoming tasks. Okay. So I want by status something like this. But it's not a real status field. Like in Fibery we have a real status field. And I want to maybe convert how it's called status field to real status. We'll understand what it means. Looks good. So basically it should delete the status and keep all the values. By the way, let's see. So we have to do in progress, to do, done, to do. So I expect in new field it will preserve the same values. We'll see. Looks plausible. I don't like it this way, so some colors will help. Okay. Now I want to estimate tasks in the short sizes. Something like that. By the way, let's open some task. So here we have some fields, task text. By the way, you see it's added to short size field and I can select it. Nice. Looks good. Okay, what else? Like I can, maybe it's pretty good already to me. By state. No, by state. Now we have a proper Kanban board. To do. There are two to do states. Fix it. I expect it will merge them. Maybe. I was not very specific, but yeah, it got it. Okay, so now I can add new tasks. By the way, this view I don't think, maybe I need it, okay. And let's say I can add new task, some task, like set some priority, set some due date, move tasks here. Like it's already a very decent personal task tracker. Then what? Imagine I am no longer alone and I have teammates. And I maybe want to assign these to people. Now, as you see, there is nothing here. Okay, let's specify it. Now I have more people and want to assign tasks to them. Again, let's open database, not here. And well, my expectation, yeah, so it will create an assignee field and I can assign some people. Okay, assign tasks to random people. Now I need, let's say, to introduce teams. Basically, maybe we have too many people to work without teams and I want to form teams. Let's wait till execution completes. Check. What? Really? It assigned tasks? I don't think so. It seems you did not assign people. Check and fix. Interesting why it did not do it first time, but okay. Now I want to split people by teams and assign tasks and plan tasks by teams. I have two teams, Alpha and Omega. Again, I'm not very specific about what I really want to have. I try to use quite generic terms and desires, and we'll see how it will react. Oh, you see, a team database was created, and two teams were created. Okay. It didn't assign people to teams since it doesn't really know. Let's say these two people in this team, and let's say these two people in this team. Okay, create a view where I can plan tasks by teams. No view was created, so it's hard to do that. And now I believe it will fix it. Here is a view. Okay, basically it fails with group by, and we should fix it. So let's say we have team as a column, and now I can plan tasks to teams randomly. I'm just playing with it. Definitely in real life you will not do it, you will use some logic, but here we go. So you have team plan now, and you can now plan your task by teams. Let's try to hide it. So okay, you have all tasks, and you can have team field here, and you have plan task by team. It's already more complicated. Imagine now we have, let's say, a software development project, and I also want to track bugs for every task. Again, it's very generic. I can definitely specify what exactly I want to track, what's the process of bug tracking, and so on. It's just a plan, like create a new bug database with some fields, link bug to a task. Yeah, looks good. So now we'll have a basic bug tracking inside our solution. It never creates views by default, so for this case it's definitely good to have views. Add relevant views for bugs. Okay, now what I have? I have everything in my personal to-do. I have like team, task, bug database. By the way, let's explore it. We have relation, yeah, task can have many bugs. That's correct. Okay, generate some relevant bugs and for tasks. Nice. Now we'll have some sample data. It's already quite a lot of things. Maybe I can, group this by something, like by folders. Oh, by the way, let's open some bug. Ooh, state, priority, task, basic bug tracking. Okay, you see it's already many things here, and imagine it's everything is personal to do. It's no longer personal to do. Rename personal to do space to, I don't know, task tracker. I don't think it's a good name anymore. Task tracker will be better. And what I can think now, okay, we have teams, tasks and bugs, everything in a single place. I may decide, okay, maybe for bug we need a separate space, not a task tracking, but like, I don't know, bug tracking. Okay, so it can't rename. Let's rename it person. Let's rename it manually. All right, now I want to extract bugs into a new bug tracking space. We'll see what it will do. So basically I think it will create a new bug tracking space, move bug database into this space. In the ideal world it should also move all views, but I'm not so sure it will do it. Let's see. Yeah, here we have a bug tracking space. It didn't ask for any clarification, just go ahead with something. So I didn't have a chance to correct the plan. Interesting. But it moved database at least. Will it move all the views related to bugs? I think no. But I can ask it explicitly. Yeah, it didn't do it. Move all views related to bugs to bug tracking space. So space renaming was not supported, we should fix it. And some view operation like group by is also not very good. Otherwise all tasks were done so far. I think it just recreated all these views. It didn't delete it, recreate it, yeah. Interesting. Okay, delete bugs related views from task tracking. Will it do it? We'll see. All bugs, yeah, it did it. Bugs by state. You see, no state group here. Open, close it. Again, it's not a real state, it's just a single select. We can do it as for tasks, but I will not bother so far. By priority, okay, grouping by doesn't work. So yeah, now you can have task, and you can open any task, add some bugs here, assign, is it possible to assign bugs to people? No. I want to assign bugs to people. Fields, so assignee field should be added. Yeah. Okay, now I can assign bugs to people. Nice. For the first iteration, I think it's good. We started from a very basic task tracking, and now we have like personal to do, Now we have task tracking with teams. We have bug tracking linked to tasks. So it's already a pretty complicated process. But let's make it even more complicated. Let's say I want to estimate bugs in hours. Let's see how it can handle formulas. So now I want to add just a basic number field for bugs. Again, let's see what it will do. In terms of fields, it should create like estimation field. It should be a number. Yeah, we have this estimation field. And set some estimates for bugs. Okay, so we have bugs, we have estimation. Now we have bugs linked to tasks, and let's say I want to know total effort of all estimated bugs. Now for tasks, I want to know, to track, to have total estimated effort of all related bugs. So it should, on a task level, should create a formula with, this will be a very basic formula to calculate estimate of bugs. Looks good. And if we show it here, you will see the value that calculates basically hours of all bugs for some task. We can do the same per team, for example. I also want to call total effort of all bugs for a team. For a team, now it should go to all tasks and have this field as a formula. Very similar, I think. But basically you can roll up your calculations from bug to task to a team. Yeah. Okay, pretty decent to me. I say for the first iteration is good enough. We're able to evolve Fibery mostly using AI. The only two things I did manually is fixing some views presentations, especially boards, and renaming the space. All other things I did through AI, and you see it's pretty pleasant experience to build solutions in Fibery just using AI. You can try it and it will be very interesting to hear your crazy cases.